Today is December 22nd, 2009. Nice warm day out here, and what am I up to? Well, I had a major exhaust leak on my 97 Arctic Cat snowmobile 340, and I have the whole muffler apart. And we had a little bit of rusting and rotting going on here. So what I'm going to try to do to fix this problem is I'm going to weld this piece back in here, back in place, and hopefully that will stop my exhaust leak. I'm hoping anyway. And also I'm lubing the suspension. I'm trying something different today. I'm using my still camera as a video camera. It's a Kodak EasyShare CD93. It does work pretty well, but not as good as the video camera. However, it does make it a lot faster to upload to YouTube, because all I need to do is change the file name and bam, it's done. I can upload it. Whereas with the video camera, I gotta capture the file, which takes as long as it's real time, plus it's gotta save the file, which is almost as much time. So if it's a 5-minute video, it takes between 4 and 5 minutes to save it and then upload it. So I'm gonna try this. This is a suspension on this. It actually looks pretty good, but I was just lubing it up. This rod right here, this one, was squeaking and driving me nuts, so I just realized that I can lube it down at the end here to make it better. More close-up shots here of the side rails. The sled is in very good condition for its age. It's got 2116 miles on it. There it is. A little bit of a reflection. And I might as well look at the engine compartment. The exhaust, or the muffler is out. I just showed you that. It goes right there. Also, I might as well show you my little repair job I had to do 2 years ago with this sled. I kind of ran into a tree. So I broke the bracket, the hinge bracket, so I kind of had to do a little repair here, as you can see, with angle brackets, and I screwed into the new hinge, and actually it's worked quite well. It worked well last season, so I'm sure it'll work well this season. And on the outside, you can see that there's a little bit of damage showing there, but it's not too bad. You don't really notice it unless you look at it real close. So anyway, I'm sure you want me to crank this up with no exhaust system on it, so let's do it. Let's see what it sounds like. I think I need the choke. So let's crank her up. Kind of hard to hold this and grab the choke, and we'll try again. Yeah, it's loud. No doubt about it. It is loud. So anyway, let's get another close-up here of stuff. The fan, I just put a new belt on this. So that's good. Had to adjust the brake again. This is not a hydraulic brake, it's a mechanical brake. So that's all ready to go. And after I weld this exhaust system and replace this other plastic thing back here, need another one of these. This is the helper for the helper spring for the 2-up. It's a little bumper that it rides on the spring right up there. And unfortunately, I lost one of them. This is the other one that fell off this spring because I use this lousy rivet. I think I'm going to go get some stainless machine screws and lock washers and put some Loctite on it. And hopefully I won't have any more problems like that. Well, anyway, it's a nice day out here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.